Hey guys, so I got my next box from Universal Yums. This is the Spain box and it came with, if you've seen my other videos, it comes with an actual booklet, which I love, that talks about Spain and the culture, and it gives a little bit of information about each of the items that are in the box. This right here is something I can eat. That's why I'm really excited. It is some kind of like honey butter corn thing. I'm really excited. It's so good. And then this right here also, I should be able to eat this because this is soft, dark chocolate with orange. Oh, it sounds so good. And then this guy right here, I'm not gonna be able to eat because I'm seeing corn nuts in this one. So I'm gonna have to hold off on this one for a little bit, but it's like a really fun, like spiced cocktail mix. And then this right here, I'm not sure. It's some sort of like cookie, Spanish walnut cookie, and it is kind of soft, so I might be able to eat it. I don't know. And then, okay, these are really weird. Fried egg potato chips. I'm not gonna be able to eat those quite yet. And then last but not least, oh, I'm so bummed. Spicy mango gummies, are you kidding me? I definitely can't have those right now. I think this sounds the best right this moment. Is my little like treat after lunch. Ooh, there's like 4 of them in here actually. Look at that. Oh. It's pretty soft though, but I didn't realize it was a cookie. I guess I should have paid better attention, but I can't bite all the way down, but it's like, can you see there's like little bits of orange in there? I have to be careful. They're kind of chewy a little bit. This is gross, look. This is so good. The dark chocolate with the essence of the orange. Oh my goodness. This is a winner. This Spanish walnut cookie, it's soft. I'm not sure. We'll see what's going on here. I was totally wrong on the last one, so let's see. Oh. For being a cookie, ew, it's kind of wet. But I guess we'll see how it tastes. Almost more like cookie dough than an actual cookie. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like grainy. I'm gonna try another bite. Yeah. Yeah. Butter and honey. Ooh. It's sweet and buttery. These are really good. Fried egg chips. Tastes like a potato chip. So these are kind of weird. They actually do taste like an egg. Very subtle. And it's like on the end of it. But, no. All right, so true confessions. I cannot find the spicy cocktail mix anywhere. I think maybe my dad might have snagged it when he was here last, so can't review that one. But the last item in the Spain box is the spicy mango gummies, which I am sure I'm going to enjoy. All right. Ooh, it smells delicious like mangoes. Let's see. I don't like a lot of spice, so we'll see how spicy this ends up being. Really soft. Great mango flavor. Ooh, okay. Okay. Spicy chicken in a little at the end here. This is really very tasty. Really great mango flavor. Also a good spice, but not too much spice. I don't think I'll be able to eat a lot of these at once, but really delicious mango flavor. Okay. A little bit spicy at the end, but oh my gosh, the mango flavor is out of this world. So sorry I'm so late to review this box, you guys, but actually I really enjoyed the Spain box quite a bit. All right, so thanks for watching. Be sure to catch me on the next one.